I think there were a lot of lessons learned. I think everyone wants to avoid a repeat of that scenario.
As we work to get kids back to school, internal emails show Knox County Schools disregarded health guidelines when reworking graduation plans this summer. The initial plan followed health department guidelines and faced backlash from families and the county mayor. The final plan did not include some recommendations.
Now, just 24 hours before the district reveals its back open plan for fall, 10 News reporter Cole Sullivan takes us inside the chaos of graduation and shows us the lessons learned.
When Hall's high school seniors crossed the graduation stage, it was the culmination of years of hard work and the result of 12 days of chaos behind the scenes at Knox County schools. Hundreds of pages of internal emails obtained by 10 News show the district disregarded health department safety guidelines. The Knox County Health Department recommended no audience at graduation and ceremonies in late July. That's what the first KCS graduation plan had in it.
I don't think it's an understatement to say that no one's happy about it.
Dozens of families sent angry emails. "You have failed in an epic way," wrote one. The county mayor asked for change too.
These kids have worked 12 years for this moment, and I don't think it's right to deprive them of that.
So the district went back to the drawing board and allowed students to bring up to 4 guests. Emails show that was against the health department guidelines. It said masks were required, but the superintendent himself did not wear one. In a statement, the district said it made these changes after talking with the mayor. In these unprecedented times, a spokesperson says, our goal has always been to support and celebrate the achievements of our graduates while also protecting the health and safety of our community.
I think there were a lot of lessons learned. I think everyone wants to avoid a repeat of that scenario.
School board members say the district has learned it does not always have to follow what the health department says is safest.
They can take other people's input, but at the end of the day, they're going to be the ones making the decision.
The health department says it's had regular calls with school administrators ahead of the release of the KCS back to school plan. Cole Sullivan, 10 News.
Local groups that make up the Knox County Education Coalition released a list of recommendations it wants the school district to adopt as official guidelines for the fall semester. Now, a few of these recommendations on the 20-point list include requiring masks in buildings and on buses, except in approved health situations, providing personal protective equipment, and checking temperatures. The coalition set forth standards for keeping a high ratio of staff to students and for allowing flexibility for both staff and students to work remotely as needed. You can read that full list of recommendations right now at WBIR.com.